welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you in Microsoft Outlook how to change view setting by default. You can change the view settings in either you can use compact or single or preview. These three type of settings currently used in Microsoft Outlook. So first of all, you have to open Microsoft Outlook, and then next you have to move the view tab from the taskbar. When I click, for example, I'm right by default, when you open, the home window will be appear. So you have to move to a view tab. When you click the view tab, multiple uh, settings will be shown up, but you have to choose this setting. You can change the setting. For example, I'm choose the single setting. When this type of preview will be occur, either you can choose the compact setting. In compact setting, the view will be shown up like this, or you can select reset view. The dialog box will be appear. If you want to reset the view compact to original settings, you have to choose yes. The original setting will be shown up. So next you have if you this reset view is disabled, so you have to check this view settings. This type of dialog box will be shown up, the settings tab. Let me reopen. So in the last tab you can see the reset current view. The current view will be reset. So this is the way you can reset the view setting in Microsoft Outlook. So I hope you like this video. Do please hit the like button. Thank you so much.